Pair the magic of the grill with the ease of cooking on a plank in this recipe for Wild Alaska Sockeye Salmon with a sweet Asian glaze. To get started, soak a wood plank in water for 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. When you're ready to grill, pat the wood plank with paper towels and lightly coat one side with oil. Place 1 bunch of green onions, trimmed and sliced lengthwise, on the plank. Then place a 2-pound fillet of Wild Alaska Sockeye Salmon on top, skin side down. To make the Asian glaze, to a medium bowl, add 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root, 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lime juice, 2 teaspoons of gluten-free soy sauce, 1½ teaspoons of fresh minced garlic, and mix it together well. Then glaze the top side of the salmon. Let the salmon rest for 5 minutes before cooking. Heat a gas grill to medium-high heat or build an indirect charcoal fire like this. When the heat is medium hot, place the planked salmon over the indirect heat, not directly over the flames, or it'll overcook and the wood will burn. Cover and leave the salmon for 10 to 15 minutes, just until the salmon is opaque throughout. Present the entire plank to the table. Wild Alaska Sockeye Salmon with sweet Asian glaze. Enjoy!